This allows for a safer and more predictable encounter.
Furthermore, a CWP can give you peace of mind knowing that you have the legal means to protect yourself and your loved ones if you find yourself in a dangerous situation.
However, it's crucial to understand that carrying a firearm is a serious responsibility. Owning a firearm and having a CWP does not make you a law enforcement officer. It's essential to know when you are legally justified in using force, which we'll discuss in the next section.